People talk about losing a job, they usually talk about the paycheck. They talk about rent, groceries, bills, and stress. Almost no one talks about what quietly sits in the background, the 401k. It's usually when fear starts. Imagine this, you just lost your job. Sudden, maybe you saw it coming. Once the shock settles, a question shows up in your mind. What happens to my 401k now? People think something bad happens instantly. They imagine the company taking it back. Imagine the account getting locked. People even think the money disappears. That is true. The first thing you need to know is this. 401k does not disappear when you lose your job. That money is still yours. The employer cannot touch the money you contributed. To erase it, they cannot take it away. The job feels like losing control, so it's natural to assume everything connected to that job is gone too. 401k doesn't work that way. Your job like a bridge. Your 401k used that bridge while you were employed. The bridge ends, the money doesn't fall into the water. It waits for you to decide where it goes next. Here's where it gets important. Every dollar you personally put into your 401k is always yours. It is simple, no conditions. No waiting period. The part that can be confusing is the employer match. Some companies give you their matching money immediately. Companies say, you earn it over time. This is called vesting. Fully vested, the employer match is also yours. If you aren't fully vested yet, you keep only the part you earned. The rest goes back to the plan. Feel unfair, but it's not a punishment. It's just how the plan was written from the beginning. Job ends, nothing dramatic happens that same day. Your 401k doesn't move. Close overnight. It stays invested exactly where it was. You really have time. Time to breathe. Time to understand your options. Hopefully, you'll get a notice explaining what you can do with your account. This is where many people feel overwhelmed, because suddenly it feels like a decision moment. It's the calm truth. There is no emergency decision required for most people. One is to simply leave the money where it is. Yes, you can actually do that. 401k can stay with your old employer's plan. Remain invested. It can still grow or fall with the market. For people who are between jobs, this option feels safe because it doesn't require action. The downside is that you can't add new money. People forget old accounts. Years later, they don't even remember where their retirement savings went. The option is to move your 401k into a new employer's plan once you get a new job. Everything in one place. One account, one login, one system. Who like simplicity, this works well, especially if the new plan is decent. There's another option that many calm, long-term thinkers choose. Rolling the money into an IRA. Does not mean taking the money out. It means moving it from a job-based account into a personal retirement account that follows you no matter where you work. Done correctly, this move does not create taxes or penalties. The key is that the money must go directly from one retirement account to the other. It should never land in your personal bank account in between. I like this option because it gives them more control and clarity. It reduces fear. We need to talk about the option that sounds tempting when stress is high. Cashing out. When the money is taken out and spent. Short term, it feels like relief. Bills get paid. Pressure drops. Financially, this is often the most expensive choice. Penalties may apply. Loss is time. Money that could have grown for decades is gone forever. Why so many people reach retirement age and wonder why they feel behind. Because they never saved, but because stress forced them to break the system early. 401k balance is very small. Something else can happen. Plans automatically move small balances into a basic IRA or send a check. It's important to read messages from the plan administrator and not ignore them. The situation people don't expect involves 401k loans. Borrowed from your 401k and then lost your job, that loan may suddenly need to be paid back quickly. If not, it can be treated as a withdrawal, with taxes and penalties attached. Catches people off guard because the loan felt harmless while they were employed. All the rules, there's something deeper happening during job loss. Emotion. A job affects confidence, identity, and safety. Emotional pressure pushes people to make fast money decisions. Retirement money doesn't respond well to urgency. The safest approach is usually the calmest one. Ask simple questions. Do I truly need this money right now to survive? Will I likely get another job soon? Do I want more control over my future savings? No perfect choice for everyone. There is only the choice that protects you the most in your situation. Important thing to remember is this: losing a job is temporary. Managing your retirement savings can be permanent. 401k is not just numbers on a screen. It represents future stability, freedom, future peace. If you ever face this moment, pause, understand your options, then move forward calmly. Money Science AR Way. No panic, just clarity.